get you? Come on, what did Bubby and Grandpa get you? Come on! There's something, there's a surprise in here for you. Come on. Come on, sweetie. What is it? Do you notice anything new? What is that? That's for you. That's a kitchen for you. It makes a noise like a wand. Do you love it?
It's your very own kitchen.
Now you can be like, Mom, and you got a phone.
Hello?
Hey.
You can call Bubby from the phone.
Say hi, Bubby. You're going to call Bubby and Grandpa and say thank you? Poppy?
Puppy.
Yeah. Look, I mean, you can open the doors. And the food's inside. This is the refrigerator, just like Mommy's. And then you can close the door. See? You can get some water. See? There's a microwave.
Look, we can make veggie tots.
Beep beep beep. We can make veggie tots for your babies. Yeah. And then you can close the door. You can turn the sink on. Shh. It's all you just pretend. Isn't that fun? You could cook some cupcakes in your oven. Can you say thank you, Bibby?
Thank you, Bubby. Thank you, Papa.
Can you say thank you, Poppy? Papa?
Emma, can you say thank you?
Yeah, that's what you do it too. Emma, blow Mommy a kiss.
Emma, blow kiss.
Open the book to learn ABC.
Emma.